So in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how to download your backed up photos from Google Photos app. So the first thing that you have to do is install the Google Photos app. For that, head over to the Play Store and search for Google Photos. So if you install Google Photos from here, it will show you an open option. So now let's open up the Google Photos app. Now tap over your profile icon. So here you'll have to select your Google account in which you have your backup saved. After selecting the Google account here, you have to click on the Google account tab. Now here head over to data and privacy. Now just scroll down and you will see an option here called apps and services. Now click on this. Now here it will show you all the apps and services that are connected to your Google account. So just scroll down and you will see Google Photos app icon there. So if you have your backup saved in your Google account, it will show under Photos app over here. It is showing me 4000 plus photos and one album. Now you can simply tap on download to download all the photos you have. You can transfer data. And if you want to download individual photos, all you have to do is tap on this photos, and now it is opened in a web browser and the domain is photos.google.com. Here you can select any photo that you want to download. So here as you can see, all of your photos that you have backed up are currently available over here and you can scroll through the timeline. So as you can see, I have photos that are backed up in this Google account from over 2020 or even. So from here you can scroll through your timeline and as you can see, I have photos saved from over 2012. So this is my photo from 2013 and it is still saved in my Google Photos. Now in order to download this photo, just hit on these three dots and you can download it from here. After tapping on download, the photo will be saved in your phone's gallery. So let's head over to the gallery and as you can see, the photo is showing right here. So this is the method if you want to download your photos from Google Photos app backup. And in order to use this method, make sure the backups are turned on and you have the backup in your selected Google account. So if you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.